Here we are setting automated actions. So you want to confirm the appointment. You can add this AI agent on Shopify, your WordPress, Salesforce, Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, Google Sheet.
Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to set up a 24/7 AI agent. In just a few simple steps, you will be able to create this agent, and your agent will be able to answer calls, customer FAQs, and even scheduling your next appointments on your website. If you are a business owner, you don't have to spend any money on customer support. And if you are a freelancer or an agency, this is literally a service you can start selling from today. Make sure to watch this video till the end and subscribe for upcoming amazing tutorials. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So to learn these easy steps, we are actually gonna create an AI agent for a random website. The things we are considering for this agent is the agent will be able to answer calls, text messages, FAQs, and scheduling appointment. So keeping this criteria in mind, let's get started and make our agent. So we're going to use Jotform. So click on the link in the description below that will take you to Jotform's page. Now once you're here, just click on sign up with Google. Now once you'll sign up, you'll see a page like this. Now just click on products and click on Jotform's AI agent. Now once you click on this, you'll see a page like this. Here you can see you can check upon the demo AI agents, or you can start creating your own agent. So just click on this button, and here you can see, let's go with customer support since we are going to create a customer support AI agent. Now just click on create and wait while Jotform creates our agent. And here you go. Jotform has created the basic AI agent for our website. Now this is your AI agent or your chatbot. Now what you have to do to make it work for your own website is to click on this train button. Now you have to enter your knowledge to this chatbot, based on which it will entertain your customers. So here are a few options, like you can add text-based knowledge, or you can upload a Word file of your company's or your client's company, or here you can put some sort of question and answers. But what I like the most is you can actually paste your website. So I'm gonna be using this feature. Now just go to your website or your customer website. For example, this one is my customer's website. As you can see, they do not have any sort of AI agent. They just have a WhatsApp button which leads you to WhatsApp, and which seems kinda anyway. So just copy this link and just paste your link here. And here you can see a very important note. Here you can see, for example, if you build your agent today and after a few months your website adds something more, for example, change a policy or remove or add any sort of products and things like that, so this chatbot will automatically craft that data. So for that purposes, I'm gonna select this on monthly, since I'm not gonna add or remove things very frequently. So just click on crawl, and Jotform's AI agent will start crawling data from that website, and then it will train that chatbot or that customer support AI agent on that information, so that it will entertain your customers. It will answer their calls, it will answer their text messages, FAQs, and even schedules the appointment, and based on your website's information. Now once it's done, here you can choose from which pages of your website you want the AI agent to be trained on. For example, about us is very important, and for example, our service is also important. And if there's something sort of personal on your website that you don't want the agent or you don't want the customer support chatbot to have, you can unbox it here. For my case, I'm okay with all of them, so I just have to click on this save button. Now as you can see, the crawling process has been started, and it's crawling the data from every single page of my website, and it will do it in a blink of second. Now here you can see it has already crawled the information from home, our service page, chemical work, things like that are necessary for your AI agent to have in order to answer your customer's inquiry. As you can see, Jotform has already crawled all the data. Now, if your company or if your client's company have multiple websites, you can easily add them by clicking on this button again. For my case, I don't have any. So here you can put additional knowledge like text-based knowledge. Here you can upload files, and here question answers. For example, if I'm going to click on this, for example, a question like, do you sell lipsticks? For example, this is the question from our customer, and what we want our agent to answer is nope, sir, for example. Now don't stress out, you don't have to put every single possible FAQ here. You just have to put the question that aren't mentioned on your website. Now just click on save, and whenever we ask do you sell lipstick, it will say no sir. Now just go back. As you can see, the training's first session is done. Now just click on AI persona. AI persona is basically the personality of your chatbot, like how your agent, how your receptionist acts, talks, and things like that. So just click on this button, and here you can give your chatbot a name. For example, in my case, it's a beauty product, so I'm gonna give it a girl's name. For example, Tamari. And what's my agent role? It's a customer support specialist. Gotcha. And default language is English, which is good. Tone can be friendly, professional, and casual. It will depend upon your field of work. For example, in my field, the beauty salon, it must be sort of friendly. And then the communication style is chat response length. Do you want your AI to, respond with a bunch of text? No, just keep it short in order to make it professional and easy for your customer to understand. These are basically the rules for the chatbot. If you want to add your own rules, you can click here and add new ones. Now just click on voice to edit the voice settings. Now here as we mentioned that this is a beauty product, so we want the voice to be a girl's voice. So what we'll do is we'll click on this change button and we'll search for a girl's voice, a female voice. Gender should be female, accent should be American, and age should be young. Now let's see, Sarah, let's check this voice.
Jotform AI agents are powerful Jotform AI agents are Jotform AI agents are
So I like Jessica the best. Jessica's voice has power. So just click on this use button, and now you have Jessica as your AI receptionist on your own website for completely free. Thank you, Jessica. Once this section is clear, just click on this action, and here basically you set a condition. Like here we are setting automated actions on our chatbot. For example, I've wrote here like when user wants to book a meeting, what you have to do. Click on this, and it's obvious that we want a appointment. So when a user wants to book a meeting, just do make an appointment. Now here you can see appointment settings. Here your agent will be able to book an appointment, so that's why you have to set your appointment settings. For example, appointment slot should be 15 minutes, and you can change this all by according to your own needs. And limits, for example, what number of appointments you want to take. And here advanced settings, ask for name, ask for email, so that whenever a customer wants to book an appointment, your chatbot will send it a form which will ask them to enter their email, name, time zone, date, week, and etc. Then click on integration and connect your Google Calendar. And click on next. And click on authenticate. Now basically what you are doing here is you are connecting your Jotform's AI agent to your own Google Calendar, so that whenever a customer comes to your website and asks for an appointment, Jotform's AI will automatically book a meeting with your customer using your Google Calendar. Now here I'm going to click on my account and click on continue, and click on select all and click on continue. Voila, that's it. Now whenever a customer comes to your website and your customer wants to book a meeting, Jotform will automatically send your customer a booking appointment form which will include their email, and then it will automatically book that appointment according to your Google Calendar. Now if you go to this tools section, here you can see there are a bunch of tools that Jotforms offer, and if you want to go deep, then let me know in the comments, so in the next video I'll go deep on each tool. For example, they have send WhatsApp messages. If you use this tool, your agent will be able to summarize your conversation and send a summary on a WhatsApp, or even answers your messages on WhatsApp. And go to the last section, teach your agent, and here you can simply talk to your AI agent like never mention customer name. Like here I've mentioned that never mention customer's name. Now my chatbot says, I've noted your request to never mention customer's name in responses. Please confirm if you want me to apply this to change my persona. Here you can click on yes, proceed, and then your chatbot will never mention your customer's name. This was just an example to show you how the changing persona works. Now once you are done with all of these sections, our training the agent part is complete. Voila. Now let's go to customize our chatbot. For that, just go back to build and click on this brush icon. Here you can see on the avatar section you can select any sort of avatar, and if you wish to upload your own photo, you can literally upload your own photo as an avatar. Or if you want to generate a new image, for example a young beautiful lady working as a receptionist at beauty salon. So generate the avatar. Now let's see what sort of avatar the Jotform generates by itself. So if that's good, we'll select that, but if we don't like it, we can change it, or we can select from the Jotform's gallery. Now here you can see Jotform has created this AI agent, which is indeed beautiful. So we are gonna keep this image. Just click on save. Now as you can see, our avatar has been confirmed. Just go to styles, and here you can customize it according to your brand colors. For example, if you go to my website, our brand colors are pink, purple, and black. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this one. This one resonates with my brand colors. Agent name is Tamari. The agent role is customer support specialist. The chat background is and that. All is well. So now you have trained your AI agent. You have customized it, its name, voices, etc. Now it's time to publish your first AI agent or your 24/7 customer support receptionist. Now just click on this publish button, and that's it. You've published your first ever AI chatbot. Now you may ask how to add this to your own website. So for that, just copy this link and go to your website, and you can then paste it here. No, you are not supposed to paste it here. You are supposed to paste it on the backend or the coding section of your website. Since I don't own this website, I'm not able to do that. But here you can see, here's your code. You can copy it and you can paste it, or even you can add this AI agent on Shopify, your WordPress, Salesforce, Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, Google Sheet, Google Sites, anywhere you want. Now, you can literally set this agent to your client's website. No matter your client's website is on Shopify, your client's website is on WordPress, or anything, it doesn't matter. Now, let's try and let's preview our AI chatbot. So guys, here you can see our chatbot is here, Tamari. Tamari is our assistant. Here you can see, hello, I'm Tamari. Tamari, your friendly AI agent. How can I help you today? Here you can see they have set up a set of questions automatically according to my website. Now, if I question them, do you sell lipsticks? Let's see what this answers. No, we don't sell lipsticks. At Lavish Hair Beauty Salon, we offer services like haircuts, styling, skincare, and makeup application instead. Here you can see. Now, if I question them, I want to book an appointment. Now, let's see what it takes or what it does. What date and time would... Now you can see this chatbot is literally booking an appointment for us. For example, let's do as you can see, the request slot on 25th November at 9 o'clock is available. Do you want to confirm the appointment? If I click on yes on confirm, now it will ask for my email address as it was necessary. So I'm gonna put my email, for example. Now I've given my email and let's see what it does. Your appointment has been scheduled successfully. You can view your appointment here. Is there anything I can help you with? And that's it. Now we literally tested our AI agent.